This is a joint presentation. I worked on this for Mr. Jim Stuckey, who's with us here today in the front row. This is a small internship I've been doing for LCBC Church, where I made a Revit model based on the original CAD drawings of the building, provided by the firm that made the building. And it was a pretty massive undertaking because the church has undergone several renovations. So the first thing I did was use the original CAD drawings as a reference to model the building in Revit, and then model all the renovations, new ones and old, and create 3D renderings to show to Mr. Jim Stuckey and the architect who provided me with the renderings of what it would look like to use Revit. And then also to create future maintenance models. This is the site. This is on Mountjoy Road where it intersects Esplanade Road. This is all parking here, and this is the original building right here, this octagon-shaped place. This is the Performance Center, like Auditorium. Right here is the atrium, and oops, this is all new over here. This is a section view of the inside in Revit. This is based on the original CAD drawings, which is the red lines here. This was all made by me in Revit, so all that I was provided with was these flat lines right here. And so this is looking at the stage. This is the stage here, and this is the auditorium, which has a curved floor, which goes below grade, which is right here. This is the grade line, and this is 3 feet 6 inches below grade. This is another plan of the auditorium. All the families in Revit, lighting and BIM included, had to be made by me custom, because some of the things, almost everything except the heating and cooling HVAC units were made by me. Here's a reference image. Here's the first rendering I did in Revit. So this is the main building from outside. This is the auditorium, this is the atrium again. And there's a small garden here with a pond. And in here there's a cafe and a sitting room. So once everyone floods out of here, they can sit right here in the sitting area in the atrium. This is an isometric view of the inside without the roof. So this little thing right here is a small catwalk, if you're wondering what that is. And there are 3 main seating arrangements in the front, and they're usually ushers right here. You can kind of see some of the custom models already made. These floating things here are all the lights, which had to be made custom. All the BIM stuff, and like the Luminix flux and everything about the light was made custom in Revit, entered by me. This is one of the renderings from the inside looking out. This is the small garden area, which you can see right here. So this view is from in here looking outward. Here. This is another view looking downward, giving a better illustration of how the giant atrium enters out. These are their doors right here and here. Go from the atrium into the auditorium. So it's very close. So this is just the entrance. This was one of the Lumion renders, which I did last minute before we presented. This includes some of the parking. On the street you can't see, but this is Madary Road right here, back here, and behind the camera would be just the Esplanade Road. And that's all I have to show. This is also a rendering of the inside of the auditorium. That took a long time to render, all the seating. That took 15 hours to render that one. Yeah.
That's how you're going to use all this?
It's a nice little thing to have.
Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you. If you have any questions, I can answer them. I think it pretty much speaks for itself. You can actually go to LCBC this Sunday, so it's for advertising too.